Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk round video of our 2018 Renault Captur Dynamique S-Nav. This car comes with a 1 litre petrol turbo engine and the manual gearbox, which is ULEZ compliant, returning up to 55 miles to the gallon. Insurance group of just 9, and this is a two-owner vehicle, having covered just over 31,000 miles and comes with full service history from Renault. This stunning colour is the Metallic Flame Red and looks in great condition, fair homage of the car. You've also got the black roof there that was chosen as a factory option. As we have a look inside, first of all, we've got a nice slightly raised driving position there. As you can see, the interior is nice and clean. There's an adjustable armrest there for the driver as well. And then onto the dashboard, you have your multimedia screen there in the centre for your satellite navigation, DAB radio and Bluetooth. And then this car also has cruise control, automatic headlights and wipers. And then on the driver's door card there, you have your electric folding mirror and 4 window controls. For a small SUV, there's a good amount of legroom and headroom there in the back, ideal for getting children in and out of car seats, for example. The rear bench has 3 individual seat belts, and it's good to see that the car's got the original carpet floor mats from Renault too. And as we open the tailgate, on the Captur you've got a really good sized boot there with the split folding rear seats and the parcel shelf that's still in place. You also have the adjustable floor, which is at its highest point at the moment, so you can hide bits and pieces underneath, or you can lower it completely to increase the volume, so really good sized boot there. Externally, the car comes with LED headlights, the diamond cut alloy wheels, and also rear parking sensors. The car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind. And you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty that you can extend up to 3 years, and we can help you finance the car with no deposit up to 5 years. So if you have any questions or you'd like to book a test drive, then please do give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.